My name is Michael Salcher with Western Securities Limited. Western Securities Limited is a private real estate holding, development, and property management company. It was founded in 1932 by the O'Connor family in Alberta, Canada. Today we operate the company under the fourth generation of O'Connors. We're fully integrated and operate in the commercial real estate industry under multifamily, commercial office, retail, land, and development. Half of the portfolio for the company is in Alberta, Canada. The other half is really in Texas for the most part. And I oversee the Texas division for the company. We chose to go with Smart Rain because we have seen the need for increased irrigation during the hot summers in Texas. It can be very costly, especially with municipalities that have raised our water costs. We've had one municipality raise our costs over 40%. And with the control of our water use and being able to monitor it on a daily basis made it an easy choice for us to go with Smart Rain. So we've experienced line breaks and leaks that have been very costly and can add up to significant dollars. And with the ability to control from our smartphones with the Smart Rain system gives us the power to act very quickly and attack those issues while they're happening real time. You know, we didn't really look at upgrading our irrigation systems. We knew we had a lot of challenges, like I mentioned previously, with breaks and wasted water. And we knew we needed a solution that would help us tackle those challenges. And when we found Smart Rain, we realized that this was a really good solution to give us that control and ability to oversee what was happening with our irrigation systems. I mean, previously, you know, we just depend on our landscape contractors, which can be challenging because things may not be found right away, and the contractor may not be on site. The contractor may be at another job or another property, and you know, we need the contractor to be there and to be monitoring the system when it's actually operating as well. Not just, you know, you may not find a break or a leak if the system's not turned on. And so being able to have the system like Smart Rain, where they have flow sensors and the technology that allow you to see that real time. I think we evaluated Smart Rain based on the technology and just the sophistication of the system, right? It really operates in a smart manner. Previously, the irrigation systems run on these timers and you know, and even the smart systems that they had previously, you know, maybe have rain sensors, but those rain sensors may or may not be working. With Smart Rain's system, the technology is much more advanced. And that was a huge selling point for us, and I think we bought into that because of how many factors they take into consideration in terms of actually managing the water and how it is distributed across the landscape. I think the savings that we were going to see with Smart Rain, and you know, Smart Rain guys told us that we were going to be guaranteed our savings would be greater than the cost to install the system. That's a pretty huge selling point. And if they can prove that and really show that to us, it's gonna be pretty impressive. And from what I've seen so far, I think that that's gonna happen. So when we had one of our calls with Smart Rain, they told us that they were going to send out local contractors that they partnered with to do the system install. And that wasn't good enough for me. I wanted the experts, the guys that built the system, to actually come out and do the install. So I made a request to Smart Rain and said, if I proceed with your system, I want your team to come out to Texas and do our install. I think they were pretty surprised at that request, but they honored it and sent their team out to do our install. When they came out and inspected the properties, just the care in which they took and the time they took to really look over it thoroughly and understand what was needed and how everything was supposed to be placed, that was really impressive to us and our team. So the customer success team has been incredible. They've been very responsive. They are very quick to respond. They've provided answers to our teams that, you know, are appropriate and really help us with the app or the system. It's been impressive to see how passionate they are about their jobs and what they're doing and what it means, and also on their client success.